standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you can see that the term with x square is at the first place, and then with x, then the constant term. So first term should be of x square, second term should be of x, and the third term should be constant. Then we call it as a standard form of a quadratic equation. If it is not given in the standard form, first we need to convert it into the standard form. Like this you can see. If the equation is given in this form, I will shift bx to that side. Ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0. Similarly, here ax square is equal to bx plus c. I will shift these two numbers here, these two terms here, to get a standard form of quadratic equation. First term is of x square, second term is of x, and the third term should be constant. Now here, in standard form of quadratic equation, coefficient of x square is plus a, coefficient of x is plus b, and the constant term is plus c. Here the point to be noted that a should not be equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then this term is going to vanish. Then we will have bx plus c. Now this is not a quadratic equation, as the maximum power in the quadratic equation should be 2. The power of x should be 2, but here we have only 1. So it will be a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. So a should not be 0. Now let us learn how to solve the quadratic equation. Here it is given x square plus 2x minus 63. Coefficient of x square and the constant term we need to multiply. Now what is coefficient of x square here? Plus 1. If nothing is given, it means it is plus 1. Then constant term is minus 63. Let us multiply 1 with minus 63. We will get it as minus 63. Now I need two numbers whose product is minus 63, but addition or subtraction is 2. So these two numbers are plus 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 will be minus 63 when I will be multiplying these two, and when I will be adding these two, I will get plus 2. This method is known as splitting the middle term method, as we are going to split the middle term here as 2x in 9x minus 7x. Minus 63 is equal to 0. So first term and the constant term we will be writing same, and the middle term we will be splitting as 9x minus 7x. For splitting the middle term, the condition is this, that the product of these two numbers should be the product of first and the last term, coefficient of first term and the constant term, and then addition should be the middle term or subtraction should be the middle term. Now from these two we need to take common. From x square plus 9x, I will take x common, I will get x plus 9, and from these two I will take minus 7 common. As minus is here, I need to take minus 7 common, and when we take minus common in the bracket, it will become plus. Here I took 7 common, x, and this minus will become plus. Basically the sign will change. If it is plus, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. Only if I have taken minus common outside. If I have taken plus, then the sign will remain same. So from 63, if I will take 7 common, that is 7 9s are 63. So here also it will be 9. So the point to be noted that these two should come same. If they are not same, then it means there is a mistake in our factorization. So we will write it as x plus 9 and the next one as x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we will have x plus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to 7, because this product of these two number is 0. So it means either this is 0 or this is 0. So from here we will find the value of x. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation. If you are finding difficulty in finding the factors, so you can just split these in the beginning like this. This is x square plus 9x minus 7x minus 63. What you can do, in place of x square, x into x, 9 into x, 7 into x, and 63 you can write 7 into 9. Now from these two, if I will take x common, in bracket I will have x plus 9. And from these two, if I will have 7 common, in the bracket again I will have x plus 9. As minus is common, so this sign will change to plus. So I will have x minus 7 and x plus 9 is equal to 0. These are the factors of the quadratic equation. From there we have found the value of x. Now another question. 2 into 14. So the first thing we will be doing 2 into 14. We will get 28. Now I have to split 28 again, so that the product of these two numbers should be 28, but addition or subtraction should be 11. So these will be minus 7 and minus 4. Minus 7 and minus 4 is plus 28, and their addition should be minus 11. So I have splitted this as minus 7x minus 4x. So from here also I will take x common, because x is common only. So I will have 2x minus 7. From these two I will take minus 2 common. I will have 2x, as minus is there, this sign will change, plus will become minus again. So I will have the factor as x minus 2, 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Again, if you are having problem in taking common, you can just write it in prime factorization form, like you can write it as 2 into x, 7 into x, and this you can write 2 into x, this you can write 2 into 7. So from there you can take 2 common. In the bracket we will have 2x and 7. So we will have x minus 2 is equal to 0, 2x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 7 by 2. Now the third example again. Here it is not in the standard form. We will be just writing it in the standard form and then we will be solving it. 2 into 5, 10. Again, coefficient of x square, and the last, sorry, it is minus 5. So we will have minus 10. Now I need two numbers whose product is minus 10, but addition or subtraction is minus 3. So those numbers are minus 5 and 2 itself. So 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5. I have split it, minus 3x into minus 5x plus 2x. From these two I will take x common, 2x minus 5 plus 1 common. Here nothing is common. So if nothing is common, we will take 1. So 2x as outside plus, so this sign will not change. It will become minus only. So again you can see that we are having same thing in the brackets. So 2x minus 5, x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X will be 5 by 2. X is equal to minus 1. Now you can try these and check, write your answer in the comment box.